Right. This first worksheet that I'm giving you, and it's called Reading Coordinate Planes, and it's got a 1 at the bottom, of course. And basically determine which coordinate plane answers each question. So you first have to do all of this part before you come down to the bottom to look for the answers. So we're going to, it's going by shape, which is a little confusing, but we're going to stay with the shape itself. So this is only quadrant 1. This is only quadrant 1. So because we have our 0 here and we can see that these are all positive numbers. So our first one, our star here, is going to be on the X, 10. So I'm going to go ahead and label it, because if not, later I'm going to forget what it is. 10 and didn't move at all, so it's 0. 10 and 0. All right? And then I'm going to go over onto my, looking for my square. It's X is 8 and up 1, 2, 3. Okay? So once I actually complete this entire lesson, as I'm doing this, I'm going to do one more for you, and then I'm going to show you what the bottom asks you to do. You may have to review the first lesson in order to be good at this. It only allows me a certain amount of time to record to upload. So I'm looking at my circle here, and I'm going to say that it's over. I'm going to go, I can look and see it's on X, it's 8. So I'm going to have to really write in here. And then up to 7. 8 and 7. Now, you may have to write on paper. You might have to have just a piece of paper, scrap paper in your hand, and put circle, and then put 8, 7, and then put square, 8, 3. You may have to do star, 10, 0. However you have to do it in order to do the work at the bottom. You come down to the bottom, it says which coordinate plane has the shape at 7, 8. Well, none of these that we've already done has things. So this one's A, this one's B, this one's C, and this one's D. So far, none of the ones that we've done so far has one at that, 8 and 3. 3 and 8. So which coordinate plane has a shape at 3, 8? Now, I could kind of look at this and go, okay, I'm looking for something on here that's over 3 and up 8. Oh, I see it right here, 3 and 8. Now, I would not suggest you doing it that way, but the answer to that one would be B. Once you've done all of that, you're going to be able to look at the answers. But my suggestion is your biggest practice is going to be to label all of the coordinates before you start to answer the questions at the bottom.